Kublai budi hero, kijim betip nam ta kubar like kam tegi don kumba ndru teli ki post ki balai apo Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, District Health Society Southwest Khasi Hill, Maukorwan, kau apo Maukorwan, kijaka posting kau apo Mountain Bat Sakwang. Tegi post kidai Medical Health Officer arteli, Staff Nurse arteli, ANM arteli. Tegi ni kidai contractual basis on a period of 11 months. Can continue based on performance. Teka tulop nanda kini namta ka medical health officer kan de South Sanajar as per NHM norms. Namta ki staff nurse kan de Arpo Hajar, but namta ki ANM kan de Khatnyi Hajar sanspa namta sa check namta ki remuneration. Teka qualification namta medical officer have de ka MBBS degree. Te namta ka staff nurse have de apa se ka BSc nursing mane ka GNM. Tenam taki ANM kindai well pass ka ANM or GNM with registration of Meghalaya Nursing Council. Teki bakwa ban apply kini haban submit ki document ki ebaro ka pendap namba ka standard form submit ki document ebaro hapok Office of the District Medical Health Officer kebre hapo Southwest Khasi Hill Maukorwan. Teki submit kita baro application should reach to the office of the undersigned on or before 25 August 2020 before 5 p.m. Kan mau kata kapor, teki shortlist candidate can submit ibade on that 31st August 2020 will be displayed at the notice board of the office of the undersigned on the 31st August 2020. Can submit me a shortlisted haka like 3 August. The office of the undersigned have the right to reject any application. Not the detail of the above will be available in the office of the undersigned during the office hour. Tidak kuat bentip, haban lagi apok office namta kini gi cipin tip namta gini. Kembali ke Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, District Health Society, Southwest Khasi Hill, Maukorwan. Kini ke post nam taka for implementation of the Urban Health and Wellness Center. Kawai ha Sakwang, kawai ha Mountain. Tengmut bagi don RR teli post, RMBBS, R Staff Nurse, R ki ANM, temut way ha Mountain, way ha Sakwang. Tekitu kiburan ke qualification, kilap apply. Thank you tip, Krishwan.